Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of intermediate algorithm scripting series. Arguments optional is the title of the problem. Create a function that sums two arguments together. If only one argument is provided, then return a function that expects one argument and returns the sum. For example, add together. In this case, we are passing 2 and 3 inside the function. Should return 5 and add together with the value with single value should return a function. Calling this return function with single argument will then return the sum like this, which will return in the end 5 when calling like this. If either argument is a not valid number, return undefined. Okay, first we have two numbers x and y. Let's suppose if type of x equal to number and if type of y equal to number, in that case return x plus y. And another case, if type of y equal to undefined, in that case return function z and here we will have to check if type of z equal to number, then return x plus z. Otherwise, if z is not a number, return undefined, and if x is not a number, then also return undefined. Okay, let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.